Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good welcome to wherever it is in the world that you are watching me from today. My name's Samuel from SamSpeakStraight, speaking to you on behalf of Uhive, answering your most commonly asked crypto questions. Now, I'm not going to waste loads of your time with a massive intro, so let's just get straight into it with question number 1. Can crypto be traced? Yes, crypto is a traceable asset, but that's not to say that it's identifiable as of yet. What you have is a wallet address, which is a long code, kind of like a really long bank number, and that is your specific wallet address. This means that this is traceable on the blockchain. Everyone can see the transaction history, but they do not know who the owner of the wallet is. Now, there may be projects coming out in the future which allow you to change this. There may already be some now, but as of yet, everything is completely anonymous unless you've shared your wallet address with someone and they've remembered it or copied it down and they know who you actually are. Number 2, can crypto crash? The answer here, people, is yes, crypto can crash. Just like any other market, in times of economic hardship, the price of any asset can go down. Crypto is no exception. The house market is no exception. The S&P is no exception. We are currently in or heading towards, depending on where you are, a recession globally. America released this information on the 4th of July, but crypto has been crashing for 4 to 6 months before that. Markets only have value, companies and projects only have value when people have the exposable income to invest in them. Most investors follow the rule, only invest what you can afford to lose. So in times of economic hardship, when money is starting to get tight and everything's starting to get more expensive because of inflation, people have less money to invest in projects, so they withdraw from their investments, causing the market to go down or creating a bear market. Now, crypto is a little bit more susceptible to these kinds of things because of the lack of regulation in the markets at the moment, leaves it susceptible to insider trading and manipulation. Question number 3, can crypto bounce back? The answer here is also definitely yes. Now, when that's going to happen, I cannot tell you, but crypto and Web3 as a whole are definitely here to stay. We are only just entering the digital era, and this is probably the biggest generational shift in the history of technology. This is going to be bigger than internet from TV. It's internet to internet point 3. Now, if you didn't already know, G7 have already announced the CBDC, or the Central Bank Digital Currency, which has 100 countries backing it globally. And what the CBDC is, the Central Bank Digital Currency. So if you're looking at a government that are planning to implement digital currency or crypto, then you can imagine that this is definitely something to stay. Now, this hasn't been confirmed yet, but with 100 countries backing it, it's looking pretty likely. Question number 4, can crypto recover in 2022? The answer here again is yes, but I think that's unlikely. Now, what I have to tell you is I'm not a financial analyst or a financial advisor, so I do recommend doing all of your own research before investing or withdrawing any of your funds from investments. What I can tell you though is I do believe we are still headed towards a downward trend. With the recessions only just being announced in the current market and crypto being such a high-risk investment at the moment because of the lack of regulation, I don't see any kind of bounce back as of yet. That's not to say that it can't happen, but I think it's unlikely to happen this side of 2022. Question number 5, can crypto be taxed? Now, this is a tricky one because crypto is considered intellectual property or a digital asset, which means it falls under the capital gains tax bracket, which in the UK is about 20%. Now, there is also additional charges on crypto like sales and trade taxes, which means every time you send money or buy something with crypto, you're meant to pay taxes on it. But because of the lack of regulation, they can't enforce any of these laws at the moment. But just as an advice, it is recommended to pay your taxes. We're never going to recommend for you not to pay your taxes on any of your gains. This is a brand new market, only been around in the last 10 years, so all of the rules are still being devised as we go. Question number 6, how does crypto work? What is it? So crypto or cryptocurrency is digital currency that holds specific value based on what the market wants and desires at that time. Different cryptos and different tokens have different values for different reasons. Like Bitcoin trying to replace fiat currency like the pound and the dollar, and HVE2 token creating a circular economy on a brand new Web3 focused social media platform where everyone can earn online regardless of where they're from. Now, all of this is possible thanks to blockchain because it is a digital online ledger that cannot be replicated. There are such things as 51% attacks, but they're highly unlikely and require much more computing power than normal people have. There is speculation about quantum computing being able to break it like that, but we're a way off from that quite yet. And question number 7, how does trading work? So trading has been around since markets began. Back when you would swap a stick for a stone, and currency, or fiat, first came around in about 7th century BC. Nowadays, what trading is educated traders making predictions on whether a market will go up or down based on things like the news or reoccurring trends in the chart data. Crypto trading is very similar to regular trading in that you're betting for or against the market, you're buying or selling against the market, but the fundamental difference in crypto is that lack of regulation and the susceptibility to insider trading and manipulation, which makes it a much more high-risk investment. Thank you everyone for watching. I really do hope this helped. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to Uhive. Definitely check out the Uhive app and check out my channel as well, SamSpeakStraight. It'll be great to see you in the next one. We're really looking forward to sharing more information about crypto, about Web3 as time goes on. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Thank you.